Good morning, everybody. It is early in the morning. What's today? The 14th. I got a smile, but I'm a little sad because remember the last video I did? I sowed some seeds to tell y'all, we got a little more growing season left, but it's pests out here and I don't know how to deal with them. So at this point, I'm just, this is a learning experience. So that's what we're gonna do. This video is all about garden woes and the things that we don't really talk about in the garden as far as like pests and bugs. Sorry, bee. Move, bee. I'm not used to y'all yet. I know you cool and all, but you ran up on me and I don't appreciate that. But anyway, yeah, so let me turn the camera around so y'all can see what's going on. You know what? I'll come back later because the bees don't want me over there right now. So we'll talk later. All right, bye. All right, guys, we're gonna try this again. It's 7 p.m. Hopefully, oh Lord, he's right there. I see him now. Dang. I don't know. Cause soon as I get over there, he gonna run up on me, y'all. I don't have time. He flew away real quick. I'm wondering if he's building somewhere. I want to show y'all what's going on. It's crazy. I'm getting ran out my own garden by a bee. They over there at that tree. Oof. I'll come back in the morning one more time. We'll try again tomorrow. Because I don't have time for these gangster bees. They mean business. Okay, so it's growing back. Lord, thank you. Okay. But, oh, heck no. What y'all got going on over there? See. Lord, I cut all of that down because I got frustrated. I gotta keep my distance. I do see some stuff going back. Thank you, Lord. Because I was sad yesterday. I was real sad. But there's spider webs all over my stuff. Look. Oh my God, bro. Y'all help me out. Contact me in the comments. I love you guys.